Hey! Welcome to our first video about ABA terms. This is a YouTube channel work to help you pass the BCBA exam. All material we provided is based on the 5th edition BCBA exam requirements. The topic of today's video is ABA terms you must know in BCBA exam. This video is presented by BCBA Mock Exam. For more information, you can visit us at www.bcbamockexam.com. Let's get started. Our first section today is terms under goals of behavior. Based on the content of task list provided by Behavior Analyst Certification Board, there are three main terms, which are description, prediction and control. Number 1. Description. Description comprises observable events facts, which can be evaluated and contrasted with other facts. Description is a starting point in science, because the information gained from the systematic study of an interesting event can improve our inquiries and lay the foundation for future research into that event. Number 2. Prediction. Prediction refers to the anticipated results of a future event through repeated observation. Prediction is crucial in research because it allows us to understand correlation between events. However, please be aware that correlation does not equal to causality. Number 3. Control. Control refers to the highest level of scientific knowledge is included in the control. Control can be used to derive functional relations. The ability to demonstrate control over two events, which usually called independent and dependent variables, provides the most valuable and useful scientific understanding for the development of a technology for changing behavior. Section 2 is about the philosophical assumptions in ABA. This means this section is a little bit abstract. The target terms in this section are selectionism, determinism, empiricism and parsimony. Let's begin. The first assumption is selectionism. Selectionism is the practice of choosing certain actions to continue or cease based on one's personal experiences. Selectionism is important for behavioral analysts to investigate individuals' behavior. Because behavioral scientists must consider how the environment affects living organisms both individually and collectively. There are three types of selectionism: phylogenic selectionism, cultural selectionism, and onogenic selectionism. We will talk about them one by one. The first one is phylogenic selectionism. Phylogenic selectionism is the process through which circumstances preserve behaviors that assist secure the survival of a species or group. The second one is cultural selectionism. Cultural selectionism refers to a transferring of behavior within group members through imitation. The third one is ontogenic selectionism. Ontogenic selectionism is the process through which conditions preserve behaviors that assist secure an individual's survival. The next assumption is determinism. Determinism makes the assumption that the universe has its rules and order. For instance, events and phenomena coexist, and this does not happen by chance. Essentially, determinism implies that we believe occurrences are related in systematic ways that can be scientifically studied. This means it would be impossible to find functional relationships between events if determinism did not guide scientific practice. Number 3. Empiricism. Empiricism refers to all the studies of phenomena that are based on data and objective observations. Empiricism basically states that knowledge is gained via experimenting and experience. Empiricism asks scientists to base their conclusions on demonstrable phenomena rather than personal preferences. Number 4. Parsimony. Parsimony indicates incidents can be explained by simple and logical explanations, and these explanations are the base for exploring more complicated explanations. By excluding more plausible explanations before considering more complex ones, parsimony helps us in the logical and orderly direction of reasoning and decision-making processes. It helps in the discovery of plausible explanations and solutions for the phenomena under study. Number 5. Pragmatism. In short, pragmatism is a way of solving problems and situations that focus on practical approaches and solutions. It allows professional practice improvement by analyzing social value and outcomes. Pragmatism therefore allows the science of applied behavior analysis to focus on enhancing socially significant behaviors. That's all the basic philosophical assumptions for BCBA exam. Great job if you know all of them. Let's move on to the final section of today's video. In the final section, we will talk about different types of behavior analysis. The first type is behaviorism. Refers to the Cooper book, The Applied Behavior Analysis. Behaviorism is simply known as the philosophy of behavioral science. The second type is experimental analysis of behavior. This term is really direct to understand. It refers to behavioral analysis that involves experiments and laboratory research. Number 3, applied behavior analysis. In contrast with experimental analysis of behavior, ABA aims to apply the principle of behavior in practice in order to facilitate socially significant behaviors. The last type is professional practice guided by the science of behavior analysis. This term refers to giving professional behavior analytic service to clients. That's all the ABA terms for today's video. We will post more videos about key ABA terms and definitions in BCBA exam. So please follow our channel, and let us to help you pass the BCBA exam at the first try. If you wish to study more ABA terms and try real BCBA exams, welcome to visit us at www.bcbamockexam.com. That's all the content for today's video. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy it.